Welcome friends. Today we will see about implementation the signedly linked list. The accepted operations are insert operation. We will insert the element in front of the list, back of the list, or in any position of the list. Deleting of the element. The same deleting will happen in start or end or in the any position. Also display the elements in the list. The code for the question is here. Here the void main is here, head equal to 0. Head is the starting value here. It is the head. We have 3 or 4, but the first is the head value. Head equal to 0. Printf, it's my working number. Enter some data in the list, linked list. We will add some elements in the linked list while choice new node equal to stretch node. Stretch node I give in the start of the code. Here stretch contains int of data, stretch node, address of next, it's pointer, stretch node of address of head is the starting value. Next new node is used to add, we will insert a new element, it's called new node, and temporary is used for store the head value sometimes, and previous node is used for deleting elements from loss or anything. So now we see the main function. Malloc is called as memory location, size of stretch node. Printf, enter the data. If head double equal to 0 means it doesn't contain anything, so head equal to, and the new node is scanned by the get from the user, so it will be stored, else means temp equal to new node. If you want to continue means you will give 1, otherwise 0. If you want to continue, again the same process will be happen. Then while true, we will, here we have 5 options: insert, delete, display, search and excite. Entry your choice, here we use switch case. Each we have different classes. Finally default we give wrong choice. First we have insert, so what is the insert? Here is the insert. So insert int b is for choice, because here we have 3: insert in beginning, insert at given position, insert at end. So b is like choice in here. If first is beginning, if you want to give it in beginning, new node equal to stretch node, it's for the new node. Printf, we scan new node from the user, then we head is the starting value, we store the new node in head value, so the first starting value will be added. In case 2 we have the position, so we give the position directly, and the position is less than count. Less than count means it will add it. If the position is greater than count means it gives invalid position, because the size of the list is higher than the position. Then the third is insert in last means, last mean is new node. Here we have new node. Get from user, temp equal to help, while temp next is not equal to 0. The array contains final is 0. It's null character, so while the temp becomes null character, it will be written. Finally, temp have one value. That value we will add as new node. Then we otherwise we have wrong choice. Then we have delete option. The delete also same. We have three options: beginning and end and given position. Beginning means the temp equal to head, so head we delete from temp itself. If we have delete in B from end, same the while is while it becomes null value, it will run previous node equal to temp, temp equal to temp of next. If temp double equal to head means head equal to 0, else previous node equal to 0, free of temp. So third we will give the position and we want to we give the position in while k greater k is the value of the size. So it check everything and remove the value in the position. If we give other means it will gives wrong choice. Why display means it will return starting with to the final value. So search button is used to we get the value from the user, and while the list becomes an null value, it will check if the value is in the data or not. If it is here, it returns key is found. Otherwise, it returns the key is not found. Now I run this code. Now I run this code. Oh, sorry. Now I run this code. It returns enter the data. I give 1. If you want to continue, yeah, I want to continue. 2, continue. 3, continue. 4, continue. 5. Now I want to, it does not want to continue, so I give 0. What I want 4 search button. What the value you want? I give 3 means key is found, because key 3 I give it in the operation, so I give 3 for display. Here it becomes 1 2 3 4 5, and I want to delete from beginning, delete from last. Now I display this, it becomes 2 3 4. Now I give insert beginning, I entered 1, and insert at the end value is 5. Now I display the code, it returns 1 2 3 4 5. Now I exit this code. So this is the code for singly linked list. Thank you for watching.